How to log out of all devices from Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can log out of all channels on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you think that your Facebook account is also logged in somewhere else, or maybe you switched your device and now you want to log out of your account from all devices. Well, you can do that. It is very simple to do so. For that, just open the Facebook application and then you will see this type of interface where you have to tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Now if you're on iPhone, this option could be at the bottom right. Keeping that in mind, just scroll down and select the option called settings and privacy, and then here you want to go to settings. Then once you go to settings over here, you'll find the option called see more in account center, so tap on the account center button. Then under it you'll find the option called password and security, so you want to make sure to tap on password and security again. As you go to password and security, at the bottom you'll find the option called where you are logged in. So basically what you want to do is just select where you are logged in. You'll be able to see the devices where your account is logged in at, so you can just select review devices here and then just select the account that you want to remove and then select this wasn't me and then just remove them in that way. The other way you can automatically log out from these devices is by simply changing your password. So when you come to password and security, you can just tap on change password button, select the account that you'd like to change the password for. Once you select it, enter your current password, enter the new password, retype the new password and then click on change password at the bottom, and then everyone who is logged into your Facebook account will be also logged out automatically. That is it for today's video on how you can log out of all devices on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.